Ever wanted to impress your loved ones with a simple yet delicious dessert? Well, today is the day to turn those culinary dreams into reality. And what's on the menu? A deceptively simple lemon pudding cake, a creation from the esteemed Institute of Culinary Education. This dessert is all about simplicity meeting sophistication. Tenderly baked single-serving cakes made from everyday ingredients come together to form an irresistible treat that's sure to win hearts. The magic begins with eggs, lemon, butter, and milk. These humble pantry staples, when combined with the right technique, transform into a dessert that's truly special. And the best part? You can even switch up the flavor. Maybe try blood orange juice or a raspberry puree for a Valentine's Day twist. Now let's dive into the process. Start by whisking milk, egg yolks, melted butter, sugar, flour, and lemon juice and zest together in a bowl. Then whip the reserved egg whites until medium stiff peaks form and fold them into the batter. This is what gives the cakes their light, airy consistency. Next, pour the batter into greased ramekins. Place the ramekins in a pan filled with water and bake them in a 350-degree F oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Once done, serve these beauties with a dusting of powdered sugar and fresh berries of your choice. And here's a little tip. The pudding can be enjoyed warm, or you can make it ahead and chill it in the fridge before serving. As it sits, the flavor develops, making each bite even more delicious. So, whether you're an experienced baker or a novice in the kitchen, this lemon pudding cake is a surefire way to express your affection. After all, nothing says "I love you" quite like a homemade dessert. Remember, the best part about cooking is the joy and love that goes into the process. So don your apron, gather your ingredients, and embark on this sweet culinary adventure. Happy baking!